Hi everyone, it's Robin and welcome back. I hope you're having a fabulous day. So today is Sunday and I woke up bright and early this morning feeling super duper motivated. So I thought that I would do some vlogging. Well, I've spent the last probably 4 hours just kind of piddling around the house, cleaning up the kitchen, pulling a couple loads of laundry, straightening things. I did a little bit of redecorating on my hutch and like adding a few things here and there that I wanted to try to add into what I already had going on with my decor. And I find myself already at like a little afternoon. Yeah, it's like 12:30 already. And I haven't even picked up the camera yet. So I figured I would go ahead and do that. And the dogs are being crazy. Let me show you. What are you guys doing? You guys wondering what's happening? Yeah? Yeah. They know we are going to go outside in a little bit. Are we going to go outside, Fanny? How about you, Rayma? Are you going to come outside with me? Yeah. All right, let me do my thing here for a little bit, and then we'll go outside. Okay? All right, so anyways, the dogs have been by my side pretty much the whole morning. And they're getting excited because they know, I don't know how they know, but they know that I'm gearing up to go outside. I need to deal with leaves. Over the last few days, all of our trees have dropped all of their leaves. So backyard, front yard is in complete disarray. So I'm going to go do that. I'm going to start on the backyard with the leaves. I thought it would be a really fun to go out there, start a fire in my little fire pit, and then work on some leaves for a couple hours. We do have a football game to go watch as well. So we're going to go over to my sister's house. I'm in charge of food today. I'm going to make my famous sloppy joes today, which maybe I'll share that recipe with you since I need to go to the grocery store and pick up the stuff and then go over to my sister's house where we'll watch the game and I'll make the sloppy joes and then we'll eat the sloppy joes because they are so delicious. And so yeah, I'm just going to take you along with me as I go about the rest of my day, which should be pretty busy. I'm just getting tired out thinking about it all. So also, let's see, what else was I going to tell you? I can't remember. Oh, it is really cold outside. I don't know what the temperature is. Oh, here, I could look it up really quick. Let's see, what is the temperature outside? It's a balmy 30 degrees. There's a little bit of wind, not too much, so like some miles per hour, but it's just enough to like start getting your little ears a little chilly. So I'm going to bundle up and then I'm going to go outside and deal with these leaves. But first, we are going to get the dogs ready to go outside. I'm going to grab some supplies and I'll meet you out in the backyard. We'll get a fire started and then get to work. Let's go. Let's go on, Frankie. Are you guys ready to go outside? Yeah? I guess so. Guess we better get going. It's very windy out here. The dogs are excited. I forgot my gloves and my hat, but I'm going to get the fire started first, and then I'll go back in and get my stuff. So I'm not freezing to death. All right, finally got that started. That took forever. Hopefully it'll stay going. It's a little too windy today. I'm gonna keep that on there. I don't want to burn down the neighborhood, you know? Alright, so that's going pretty good now. So now I'm going to head over here. This is the area that we need to work on underneath this tree here. All the leaves are piled up on my wood pile. So I'm just going to try to rake most of those leaves out into the yard, and then I'll get them picked up. So I have most of this big pile picked up. The rest of it, I'm hoping I'm going to be able to use my, what do you call it? My mower with. So I'm going to try to get my mower started and pick up the rest of the leaves. So I've got about an hour before I have to get going to my sister's house. So hopefully we can get it done. Mowing and picking up of leaves. I filled up my bin, like my garbage bin, and then I have 3 leaf bags filled up. So the backyard is looking really nice right now. I have about a half hour left. Let me show you what I need to do next. I don't know if you can see this or not, but my rainwater, it's got a little layer of ice on it. I wonder if I can get it off. There we go. Alright, since, oh man, I just broke my nail. Alright, since the water is definitely freezing, I need to take care of my umbrella because the base of it is filled with water. So I'm going to try to attempt to do that right now. Get the water drained out of there. I just need to attach the umbrella from its base, and then I'll empty the water out, and I'll deal with the rest of the components another day. But for now, I just definitely need to get that water out of there. So that's what we're gonna do next. Pretty much everything done that I wanted to get done out here today. I got the leaves and the from underneath the tree and the lawn done. I got the umbrella base taken care of. I need to bring that into the living room. My fire, not the living room, the garage, sorry. My fire is pretty much out, so I'm going to head inside. The dogs are going to be bummed because they are just loving it out here. They're running all over the place like crazy. I think they've got a rabbit cornered somewhere in the yard, because that's what they're acting like. But I think I'm running low on time, so I'm gonna wrap it up out here, go inside, and quickly get ready to head to the grocery store to pick up food to go over to my sister's house with to watch the Packer game. So it should be a great day. So I'm making my sloppy joes, like I said earlier, so I will show you that recipe here next, and we shall get going for the rest of the day. Alright, so I've got my recipe book out, and I am looking up what I need to bring to kind of prep things for at my sister's house. So I know some of this stuff I already have, but basically this is my sloppy joe recipe. It is so delicious. I never liked sloppy joes until I had these sloppy joes, and these are so amazing. So basically, for every pound of hamburger, I put in a can of tomato soup, a tablespoon of vinegar, a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, a tablespoon of brown sugar, and 4 tablespoons of ketchup. Obviously, you cook up the meat, you let everything simmer together, and it is awesome. It doubles, triples, quadruples very, very nicely. I will make sure to leave this recipe in the description box if you're interested. So I have put together my little baggie here of stuff that I need to bring to make it. And I also made a list of what I still need to get at the grocery store. Alright, so now that I have everything, I got my list made for the store, and I have what I need already, what I already have rounded up. I need to get myself ready to go, and I have about 10 minutes before I need to get going. So I am running right on schedule, which is awesome. So I am going to go change my clothes because I am in my filthy outside working clothes, and then I'm going to round up anybody who's coming over with me. I don't think anyone's coming with me. I think the girls are going to stay home. My husband is finishing up some work of his own, and then he's going to meet me over there. So that is the plan, and I will check in with you later. So I'm at my sister's house. Here's Sadie. She's getting all the chips ready and everything. And look at this. Yummy! So we're starting on the sloppy joes. Sadie's getting the buffet ready. Oh, we got chip issues. So, and then I've got Carrie's making pickle wraps.
Oh yeah.
Yummy, yummy. And then I've got the meat going for the sloppy joes. And then once this is done and simmering, I will make the dip. Oh, here's Corbin. Say hi, Corbin.
Hi.
Hi. What movie are you watching right now?
I don't know.
You said you were watching Clue.
Yeah, cool.
Oh, you done playing your Jurassic Park game now? Oh, you don't know? Okay. Alright. So, there we go. He's gonna make us the dip, which is yummy, yummy. Started out with what did we start out with? Cream cheese and sour cream. All right, so the sloppy joes are done.
See? Perfect timing.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
So those chocolate things are
And then over here we've got the rest of it. Sadie's finishing up the beautiful taco dip, which is delicious. And then we have the little chips to go with it. And then we have the chips to go with the sloppy joes, because a lot of times people eat the dip, like sloppy joes, like with dip. And we got the boo, meow, and we got some candies. So I think we will be, oh, and some pickle wraps are down here. Yummy, yummy. We are all set. All right, so we are back home from my sister's house, and the poor Packers did horrible. They just got killed by the Tampa Bay. So I don't know what was going on there, but they looked terrible. They were fine until the second quarter, and then they just got I was just all downhill from there. So anyways, poor Packers had a rough day. So we're home now. It is almost 7 o'clock, and I am pretty much done in for the day. So what I'm going to plan to do is go touch base with the girls, and then I'll probably lay down in bed and watch some NASCAR until I fall asleep. So I guess I'm going to say goodbye for today. Hope you guys had a great day, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!